Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to increase your affiliate sales on YouTube. Before I go into the details of how to do that, let me show you my affiliate sales on the Hostinger affiliate program. Let's go to the conversions report. Let's see last 6 months, for example. And these are the affiliate commissions I've got from YouTube. To increase your affiliate sales on YouTube, you need to upload when your audience is available on the platform. Unfortunately, there is no simple answer to all. This depends on your audience. So you need to understand your audience to know the best time to upload in your case. To know that, just go to YouTube Studio, just type studio.youtube.com, then go to analytics from the left side of the screen. Then from this overview page, just select the last 90 days, for example, and start analyzing this graph. In my case, as you can see, lately I started noticing a similar spike. On this date, it was Tuesday. Next week, it was Monday. The next week, it was on Monday. Here Tuesday. So this means here it was Wednesday and here it was Monday. Now I understand that the best day of the week to upload is on Monday and Tuesday. Unfortunately, you need to have a little bit of traffic to start getting spikes. If you see here or before September 26th, I didn't have spikes because I have fewer or very limited traffic. Now I understand that the best day of the week for me is Monday. Now I need to know the best time of the day. To get this information, just go to analytics. Then instead of going to overview, click on audience. Scroll down a little bit to when your viewers are on YouTube. And let's analyze this table. Lighter lines means that few of my viewers are on YouTube, and darker lines means that very many of my viewers are available on YouTube. Let's start with Sunday. As you can see, I only have one single dark line. Or for Monday, I have here, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have 5 dark lines. For Tuesday, I only have 4 dark lines. Same thing on Wednesday. For the Thursday, I think I see 5 lines. Friday becomes just 4 lines. And for Saturday, it's just 3 lines. And from this data or from this table, I can see that yes, my previous data is correct because Saturday and Sundays, few of my viewers are available on YouTube. So if I need to upload on Monday, it will become best to upload starting from 2 p.m. when very of my viewers are available on YouTube. I can also upload on Tuesday at 3 p.m. So now Monday 2 p.m. and Tuesday 3 p.m. And this is the best upload time on YouTube for my audience. The second thing that you can use to increase your affiliate sales on YouTube is to make videos that are easy to consume. First, you need to start your videos with what I call to the point intros. Don't repeat your video title. Just go to the point. For example, for a Hostinger review video, instead of starting with, hey, welcome to my channel, in this video I will just go straight to the point. I've used Hostinger for 2 years, and in this video I will share with you my experience. For loading speed, my websites were faster. For customer support, for this and this, and make a 1-minute conclusion. For people who want to go into the details, they can keep watching the videos for more details. And also you need to make chapters on YouTube. These are the chapters I'm talking about. For my videos, I always start with a conclusion chapter. For a 13 minutes video, I have a 2 minutes conclusion. So viewers with no time, they can only see the conclusion and they can understand my experience for Hostinger versus Namecheap. For people who want more detail, I let them know that they can continue watching. By the way, the information you've just seen in this video were taken from my online course called Affiliate Success on YouTube. Inside this course, I go into more details. This course have 7 chapters. I think, yes, 7 chapters, and every chapter have many videos inside this, and also I have some free bonuses. If you want to see more details about how to succeed on YouTube, here I'm talking about affiliate, just check out this online course. It may help you, and for YouTube viewers, I've give you a 50% discount. Just click on join now, then add your discount here, YouTube 50, and hit apply. As you can see now, the price is only 23.5. So thank you for watching. If you want to check out this online course, I will leave this link in the video description, and see you in the next video.